So this was the plan. I was going to show you guys how I wash my hair, the products I use, the combs I used, and I was gonna basically show you guys how I did this hairstyle. However, I was so stressed and I felt like crying the whole time that I filmed absolutely nothing. Also, I'm not really good at doing my hair, so it's not like it came out great anyway, so maybe I'm like saving you guys the trouble of watching a pointless video. But what I have for you guys instead is a morning routine quarantine edition. So here's that. So on this particular day, I woke up at 11:15 a.m. But recently I've been getting up at about 7 or 8 because I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule, because at some point I'm going to have to start waking up early again. But as you can see, I just spent a little time scrolling through my social media apps before I finally get myself up and make my bed. After I make my bed, I head on over to the bathroom and do bathroom things like, use the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face. For face wash, I like to use Lulu's Holistic Shea Rose Cleansing Milk. It doesn't smell the best at all, but I'm trying something new to improve my skin because since quarantine, my skin has been highly problematic and I am not here for it. After I wash my face, I like to use a moisturizer, and today I'm going to moisturize with Olay Micro Sculpting Cream. This smells absolutely amazing, and it's really helped hydrate my skin. Again, for some reason, my skin has been extra dry since quarantine, and this makes my face feel great. After the moisturizer, I then like to use a face oil to lock in the moisture, and this one is just by Palmer's. My final step is to use some sunscreen, specifically one for the face. I always wear sunscreen no matter if I'm going to be inside all day or outside, because no matter where I am in my house, the sun always finds me, and me and the sun don't get along, so I need my protection. After that, I just do my hair. I'm just trying to get it out of my face because I'm about to make breakfast. First, I preheat my oven because today I'll be making some eggs with peanut butter and banana toast. I like to use Dave's bread, the thin sliced one, because I just believe that it tastes better. And I'm going to place it in a pan with aluminum foil, and I'm just going to toast it in my oven because I do not own a toaster, sadly. So after I put the toast in the oven, I'm going to quickly get started on my 2 scrambled eggs. And I like to add the usual salt and pepper, but I like to add a little bit of garlic powder because I just believe that it makes the eggs taste a little less eggy, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to be adding that, and I'm just going to scramble it up together, and I'm going to make my eggs. I'm just going to put a little butter in my pan, and as you can see, I had the heat up way too high, so I had to turn it down so I didn't burn my butter. Then I just placed my eggs inside the pan and scramble it. It literally took like 1 minute to make. I'm taking my bread out the oven because the oven beeped, and I'm just going to place a little bit of butter on it on both toasts, and then I'm going to add the peanut butter. So listen, I don't need nobody in the comments commenting about how I chop or how I cut my bananas. Like, listen, I am not a chef, but I'm just going to cut up some bananas so I can place it on my peanut butter toast. And that'll be it. I'm going to add it to the toast. I'm going to add my eggs. And that'll be my little breakfast for today. So here's a weird montage of me eating my food, and I eat my food with a side of ice cold water. Usually I would have tea, but I didn't feel like making it today. And also today, a piece of banana decided to escape. It just wanted to live, so I let him live in the garbage, but you know, that's his choice. After that, I just take a shower and then I'm gonna do my makeup. So you've guys seen my little makeup routine, but today I'm not really gonna be doing much. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, put on a little bit of mascara and maybe some lip gloss and call it a day because I'm not going anywhere today. I don't plan to see anyone today, so my makeup does not need to be popping. So I'm just gonna swoop my baby hairs because it just makes the hairstyle look way better if your edges are laid. And I don't know how to lay my edges, but I did the best I can. So there's that. So after my shower, I ended up just putting on a tank top and some shorts because I'm in Florida and it's hot. And it's not like I'm really going anywhere anyway, so I don't have to look that cute. But yeah, guys, that's the end of my quarantine morning routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Bye!